Where'd he go?
He went to another one.
I don't think so.
He went to Bob's room.
Where'd he go? You must really like these oats. You buy these oats every day. Wait, don't just random.
Yeah.
Yeah, what if he doesn't get it?
He'll get it. Uh-uh. Yeah.
Sitting and hold on to any of those items.
I know.
Thank you.
Oh,
We're about to do some alien sauces. Don't look at it. Girl. You're such a ham. You're a ham. It could be. Nobody look till I get my cord back in.
well, that was amazing. That's right ever.
That was awesome.
We're looking for some fun stuff in here, right?
5 minutes. Yes.
We're gonna go look at the key under the mat. 5 minutes. I'm looking for a mat under the key. I mean, a key under the mat. Is it under that mat? There's a key under the mat somewhere. Key is under the mat. Look at, look at. It says right here. Back in 5 minutes. The key is under the mat.
See that?
There it is. Okay. And for us, because we're old, let's go find the net.
Thank you.
Let's go find the net full of Jello.
Like what?
And then
A net full of Funicello is one of the original Mouseketeers.
A nipple of jello.
No, her name is Annette Funicello. And in here they have a net full of Jello. So it's a play on words. Okay. I dropped mine. Don't smash them. Oh, okay, I got it. A net full of Jello. I love it.
Hello everyone, please start moving on over to the right hand side.
I know.
Once again,
Full of
everyone
Jell-O.
start moving
I know.
on over to the
Full of
right
Jell-O.
front doors. Just make sure you're behind that yellow line. If there's a line on the floor, make sure you stand behind it.
And we got the
Thank you.
key too. There's a lot of them in here. I could have written down a whole list. There are, but I don't remember them. I thought that would take up all my time. Look at that clock, looks like a face. Wasn't it?
Gonzo! Yes, sir!
Taking a leisurely little stroll. You're so smooth. Mental illness.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Oh no, So yeah, this is my first recording. JK, I've done a million other videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. This was very boring, but
I must have screwed up somehow.
Mom,
What's this though? What's what happening?
watch. Champ's gonna do it.
knocked over a single thing.
Yeah, well, I've knocked him over, but my arm is killing me.
Mom, you've knocked over 17.
But my arm is killing me. Look at what he's doing.
It still sucks. How do you miss it that?
Oh, the pink one's up.
I still no good.
It says, oops. Oh,
Oops.
really? Really?
Well, remember that.
Yeah.
Nice.
I need a 14 now.
Kingpin.
That's what I'm saying. Game all out.
Do it.
You got this. Oh!
Anyone done this where they knocked over a few and then they have like this left and they knock them all over? Have you guys done it yet just today?
I don't think so. Okay, you got this.
There it is.
Son of a. Yes! Good job. Good, awesome. Okay, whatever you just did, do it again. Aim for those middle arrows right there. Nice. Didn't even touch the bumpers. Good job. Nice. Good job. Walk around for a minute.
That's not bad.
We're gonna go to Nomad.
Wow. Yes. I'm sorry. Wow. Sugar, fried dough, chicken pork.
Look at the Sorcerer Mickey. Here, go stand over there real quick. Sorcerer Mickey. That's so cute. The waves are adorable. So is this guy. Oh, that's so cool. He's awesome.